Oh my God!
Wow!
Wow!
Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos here. This is a 2023 WR450F. We have just finished installing our street legal dual sport lighting kit. The complete dual sport kit includes the Euro switch or the CEV switch. This is a multi-function switch that gives you high, low, horn, turn signals, and kill switch. Also includes our all-in-one taillight and the under fender to mount it. The all-in-one taillight has running, brake, license plate light, and turn signals all integrated into one light. Includes a rear brake pressure switch, which replaces the stock banjo bolt. Our under fender bolts directly under the back fender of the WR with no drilling and has the wire guide to run into the back of the airbox. Your choice of front turn signals, a horn. These are the highway dirt bike handguards with integrated mirrors. They are not part of the kit but can be ordered separately on our website. Complete kit is plug and play with no splicing or cutting of any wires. That's a quick overview of our Yamaha WR dual sport lighting kit. Thanks for checking it out.